A French press, also known as a press pot or plunger pot, is a simple coffee brewing device that uses steeping and pressure to extract coffee flavors and oils from ground coffee beans. To make coffee using a French press, you will need to follow these steps. Grind the coffee beans to a coarse grind. Add the coffee grounds to the French press. Add hot water and let it sit for about 4 minutes. Push the plunger down slowly to separate the coffee grounds from the liquid coffee. Pour the coffee into your cup and enjoy. The French press works by allowing the coffee to steep in hot water and extracting the flavor and oils from the beans. The metal mesh filter separates the brewed coffee from the coffee grounds, leaving you with a rich and full-bodied cup of coffee. Unlike other coffee brewing methods, the French press does not use a paper filter, which allows more of the coffee's natural oils and flavors to come through. This gives the coffee a unique and rich flavor that is different from other brewing methods.